Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Alright, let's get started with this 1937 Jaguar SS100 kit car, listed for $22,000 Canadian in Hamilton, Ontario. It's been driven 35,335 kilometers, has a manual transmission, and listed in very good condition. From the seller's description: garage kept, all original parts, chrome wire wheels, manual transmission, Ford i4 engine, fiberglass body, all paperwork and history including manual and information book. Original owner was my grandfather. And up next we have this 1979 Mach 5 Speed Racer, listed for $43,000 US in Bixby, Oklahoma. It's been driven 10,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description: Speed Racer Mach 5 replica, 1979 Chevrolet Corvette, $43,000 firm, automatic transmission, clear title status. Okay, here we have a 1972 Volkswagen Bradley GT, listed for $9,800 in Thomasville, North Carolina. It's been driven 13,255 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description: 1972 VW Bradley GT, 1600cc with a 4-speed, cool little cruiser, a lot of new parts, just done last May, $4,500 worth of receipts. Alright, here we have a 2021 Lotus 7 kit car, listed for $22,999 Canadian in Hamilton, Ontario. It's been driven 1,000 kilometers, has an automatic transmission, and listed in excellent condition. From the seller's description: 2021 Lotus 7 kit car, 4-cylinder, double overhead cam from an 06 Miata, Odyssey padded foam seats with colored piping and harness slots, Mazda 5-speed transmission, brand new Toyo tires on Avanti rims. And here we have a 1956 Volkswagen Dune buggy, listed for $6,900 US in Holiday, Florida. It has an automatic transmission and a clean title. From the seller's description: street legal, many new parts installed, needs a gas pedal, Mileage is unknown. Okay, here we have a 2005 Myers-Manx Karma SR2, listed for $16,000 US in Birmingham, Michigan. It's been driven 3,600 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description, 2005 Myers-Manx Karma SR2, Manx Certificate of Authenticity and Registration Tag, 1967 1500cc, clean 1969 pan, new tires all around, vintage aluminum slot wheels, current Michigan title, and registration is 2005 assembled vehicle. Okay, here we have a second Bradley in today's video. This one is a 1977 Volkswagen Bradley GT2, listed for $5,500 US in Memphis, Indiana. It is an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Bradley GT2 kit car built on a VW Beetle chassis, one of only 500 made. It runs and drives but needs the floor pans finished and seats bolted in to be 100%. It will be sold with a bill of sale. And here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket Roadster, listed for $21,000 US in Inverness, Florida. It is an automatic transmission, listed in very good condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, health issues are the reason for the sale. Clean 23T Roadster built in 1977. 351 Windsor with Ford FMX trans and 9-inch differential. Chrome Craigar wheels, new Mickey Thompson tires, Sanderson Sprint headers, Petronix electronic ignition, Petronix flamethrower coil. There is a lot more. Everything listed is new. Car runs good. Alright, here is a second Lotus 7 available, listed as a 1965 Lotus Super 7, listed for $18,998 US in Nesa, Oregon. It's been driven 2,421 miles, has a manual transmission, and listed in good condition. From the seller's description, low cost 7, registered as a 1965 Lotus Super 7, registered, titled, and street legal. Key features: chassis modeled after the Caterham SV, powered by a turbocharged Ecotec 1.4-liter engine, delivering 160 horsepower to the wheels, T5 transmission, Mazda Miata independent rear end, $18,998 or best offer. I might be open to trades for a classic Mini Cooper. Alright, so this one is available for someone interested in a project. Here we have a 1986 Porsche 359. Yes, Porsche. I'm trying to get myself on that, guys. Listed for $8,000 US in Standish, Michigan. It's been driven 1,500 miles, has a manual transmission, and from the seller's description. 1986 Porsche 359 kit car on a VW chassis, needs to be finished. Wiring, lights, dash, seats mounted, no motor. Alright, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking on the button below or using the link in the channel description. For the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every one of my videos before they go live on YouTube, usually at least 24 hours ahead of going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.